In this section, you learned about the foundational elements of artificial intelligence and cybersecurity, providing a comprehensive overview of both fields. You explored how AI encompasses a range of technologies that enable machines to perform tasks that typically require human intelligence, such as learning, reasoning, and problem solving. Cybersecurity, on the other hand, involves protecting systems, networks, and data from digital attacks, emphasizing the importance of safeguarding information in an increasingly connected world. You delved into the historical context of AI in cybersecurity, understanding that the integration of AI in this field dates back to the early days of computing. This historical perspective highlighted the evolution of both AI and cybersecurity technologies, showcasing how they have become increasingly intertwined to combat sophisticated cyber threats. Key milestones and advancements were discussed, illustrating the trajectory and significance of AI's role in enhancing cybersecurity measures. Key concepts and terminologies were introduced, ensuring you are familiar with essential terms such as machine learning, neural networks, encryption, and threat detection. These concepts are critical for grasping how AI tools can be applied to identify, predict, and mitigate security threats. The lessons emphasize the importance of understanding these terms to navigate the complexities of AI-driven cybersecurity solutions effectively. The importance of theoretical foundations was underscored, reinforcing that a solid grasp of underlying principles is crucial for applying AI technologies in cybersecurity contexts. Theoretical knowledge equips you with the ability to critically assess and implement AI solutions, ensuring they are both effective and ethical. This foundational understanding is vital for developing robust security strategies that leverage AI's capabilities. Overall, you gained a clear understanding of the interplay between AI and cybersecurity, the historical development of these fields, and the essential concepts and theories that underpin their integration. This section has equipped you with the knowledge and skills to appreciate the relevance and potential of AI in enhancing cybersecurity efforts.